Abercrombie. Subscribe. How I look right now, to be quite honest. I might look a little red in the face. I did just get a new camera, and I think it's not very forgiving when I'm not wearing makeup, so my face might look a little red, so please disregard. Back in the bedroom, we're gonna be getting rid of some more clothes, and this is not as much as my closet, because I've tried to convert as much as possible into my closet. For this one, I'm just dumping everything on the bed. The thing I have is this Nashville Predators shirt that my husband got me when he went to visit our friends in Nashville a few years ago. I honestly never wear this, but I'm gonna keep it because I feel like if I get rid of it, he's actually gonna be a little sad, so we'll keep that. We have this tank top ordeal that my friend got me for my birthday. I'm not even shitting you, 10 years ago. I've had this for 10 years, but I'm getting rid of it because I never wear it. Schrute Farms t-shirt. I got this at Target. Keeping it, 10 out of 10 for the office. This bodysuit that is inside out from Abercrombie. I actually only really wear bodysuits with my overalls because I think I look weird when I'm wearing a bodysuit with jeans. I think it's just my body type, I don't know, but keeping it. This cropped black shirt that could honestly easily be confused for a child's shirt. It is so tiny. I got this originally to work out in, and it's tapered more so at the bottom, so it's not really I guess the best shirt to work out in, and I think I sized up in this. Yeah, this is a large, and this runs super small. It's from Wild Fable and Target. I'm gonna get rid of it because I literally never wear it. Going with the child size crop shirts, another Wild Fable shirt from Target. Getting rid of it, again, never wear. This shirt I got off of Etsy, and I love this shirt, but I never wear it anymore. And I kind of feel like it could be in bad taste. I don't know. This shirt says, I feel like 2007 Britney. Again, got it off of Etsy. Got so many compliments on it. But now I feel a little bad with everything going on. Which, by the way, February 5th, Hulu, Be There, Be Square. There's going to be a documentary on Britney, bitch. The armpits are all destroyed because I sweat a lot on my armpits. So that got really destroyed really quick. This little black tank top. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm gonna go shopping this year for some new summer clothes, so subscribe for a summer haul. For black tank top, it's a little big for me, but again, refreshing the summer wardrobe. Sorry, I think that was maybe a wink, I don't know. Same tank top, but in blue. Again, getting rid of it, never wear it. What do you know, another tank top. This one I'm keeping. I got this from Tilly's 2 years ago, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago. I honestly don't even remember, but I love this. I got off of Etsy. This one says, too sassy for you, and I'm getting rid of it because every time I wear this, it's a bad day. I think it's bad luck, so I need to get rid of it. A pinkish reddish t-shirt from Target, getting rid of, again, never wear it. I just need to stop branching out. New York Rangers Boyle shirt. Got this for Christmas, keeping it. Tie-dye shirt with the lips on it that my cousin's company brand made me, Ride or Die. Followed them on Instagram. Shirt that my cousin made me, 5678. Actually, this was a messed up one, but I took it. She's a dancer. Again, follow Ride or Die on Instagram. Now on to the big guns. We're gonna go through my pajamas. I have a lot of pajamas, and none of them are matching sets. All of them are some sort of sweatpants and some sort of t-shirt. First, my pajama shorts. These are very short, but these are the shorts that I started to wear when I get leg tattoos. So these are the only shorts that I own, so we're keeping them. This t-shirt my husband got me in Atlantic City, keeping it. It's a very comfortable bedtime shirt. The only matching set that I have, it is a long sleeve Christmas shirt, matching fleece pajama pants. It has one, and my dog has one, and we take Christmas pictures in them. Another Ranger shirt. It's not as soft and comfy as the other one, so I'm just gonna get rid of this one. Dragon Ball Z shirt that I wear all the time to bed, sometimes to the gym. Dragon Ball Z shirt that I wear to the bed and sometimes to the gym. I'm gonna call these cowboy pants, but they're not. Camo sweatpants that I got from Victoria's Secret. I never wear them because they don't have pockets, so I'm gonna donate. I have a nice camo zip up from Victoria's Secret, but I never wear it. These next pair of joggers, you need them. They are the most, my cousin told me about them. Again, follow Ride or Die on Instagram. They're from Aerie. They have a drawstring, and they do run big. This is a medium. I could have definitely gotten a small, but these are really comfortable. These don't have pockets, So but I'm still keeping them. Those other ones from Victoria's Secret are trash. Well, I'll link them down below if I can find them. I need to get more pairs. They literally only had like 3 pairs when I went into store. I've washed them so many times and they haven't gotten like, they're still really soft and like silky and everything. I don't know if they're silky, but they're still really soft. Just another pair of like a sweatpants. Again, no pockets, getting rid of it. The only ones that are acceptable without pockets is the ones from Aerie I just showed. My Jurassic Park shirt that I wear to sleep all the time. 12 out of 10 for Jurassic Park. Husband's pajama pants that I stole. This is just like a pullover from Victoria's Secret that it's more of like a bedtime pullover, if you will. You know, when you're all like snuggled up on the couch and like you have like your shirt for bedtime on, but you're like, I'm a little chilly, but I don't want to put on a robe. This is it. But she's getting donated. Victoria's Secret, this one's a pink pullover. I'm gonna see if Claire wants this first before I like put it in a donation pile, but I just don't really wear it. I went through this like phase where I was like, I just need all these Victoria's Secret sweatpants and sweatshirts, and that was like 2 years ago, and now I don't wear any of it. Now we've decluttered both my closet and my dresser, which if you didn't see my closet declutter, I will leave a card and a link down below. Subscribe. The next videos that you're gonna see that involve clothes are probably gonna be haul videos, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Follow Ride or Die on Instagram.